The idea for Centek was born around having a single piece centralizer that acted like a spring. We were able to come up with a way of designing that into a single piece, forming it, heat treating it, and then guaranteeing the performance of that centralizer 30, 40, 50,000 feet down the hole. It was revolutionary.
The importance of quality is essential. Everything that we use needs to be to specification, down to the grub screws, the suppliers, the testing that we do. We need to make sure that these products perform as we say they do.
Regionally, we have this sales team that has a lot of oil and gas experience in the field, in the region. We know the challenges that customers are facing.
The simulations are super important because it's a right first time application. Once the centralizer's gone down hole, you won't see it again. So it's critical that our simulations are as accurate as possible.
At Centek, we develop the solution based on the application with a very quick turnaround. Our product catalog is just a start.
We can guarantee our products will work because we have 25 years of experience in the harshest conditions in all the oceans of the world, on every continent, where the product has performed every single time.
I think everyone's proud of what we do. Proud of the quality standards and the company reputation. We are providing safer access to energy.